Hello, my name is Angela Patricia Castellanos. I am single. I am from Bogota. I am 43 years old. I am studying public, a country to UNAT. I live in Soacha. I like mountains, the bicycle, play with my dog and sleep. The main tourist place in Soacha are Park National Chicaque, is one reserve ecologic, the Church Jesucristo, the Old Park situated on the neighbor Hunch de Leon Dati, to the waterfall Tequendama, what is one Catarata Wonder, 57 meters. Her fin the man prehistoric plus ancient of world, and 10 mentioned the entrant swatch. In addition, the bird from River Watt have a ecosystem of 9 wasteland. The typical food my city is garullas, almojábanas in the fritanga. The main celebration in my city are dance festivals are from the 26th to the September to the 2nd to October. The book Fire Hour 59 the 22 of October. In addition, the festival Al Sol and Moon. What is Paisat? Valores gastronomic, artisan of and cultural. The municipality 17 to the 21 to December, and the fanfare Christmas with the main your art Materi Abisai Colbot. In my city, there are many activities, tours are cutters. These are near 1 kilometer Bogota. Beautiful, hiking ecologic to the Humedal Tibanica, tour to the park Chicaque. Although in the park canoas, I can know history, archaeology, and man bicycle.